Don't think bell peppers are just different colors. The truth will surprise you. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever stood in front of a vegetable shelf looking at green, red, yellow, orange bell peppers and not knowing which one is the best? Every pepper looks beautiful, but is it crispy, sweet, and fresh? In fact, just by observing a few small details, from color, shape, to the stem and bottom of the fruit, you can choose the perfect bell pepper that is both delicious and suitable for the dish. In this article, I will reveal simple but very effective tips to help you always choose the freshest bell peppers, whether you go to the market, supermarket, or pick them in your garden. Don't miss it. Method 1. Choose by color. Bell peppers not only have beautiful colors, but each color also has different flavors and uses. Green bell pepper, crispy, slightly bitter. These are unripe bell peppers, so they have a crisp taste but are slightly bitter. Usually cheaper than other colors. Good for stir-frying, cooking, stuffing. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Yellow bell pepper. Sweet, refreshing. Sweeter than red pepper. Less bitter than green pepper. Bright, eye-catching color. Suitable for dishes that need decoration. Suitable for eating raw, grilling, pan-frying, making salads, or preparing Asian, European dishes. Red bell peppers. Sweet, rich flavor, fully ripened, sweeter, more aromatic than green peppers. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants than other colors. Suitable for raw, salads, juices, or grilled. Method 2. How to choose bell peppers by looking at the shape of the fruit. When choosing bell peppers, just by looking closely at the outside of the fruit, you can tell if it is fresh, delicious, and crispy. Choose fruit with a shiny, smooth skin. A smooth, unwrinkled surface is a sign of a fresh fruit. The more shiny and evenly colored the skin, the juicier and tastier the fruit. Avoid choosing fruit with dense, wrinkles, or dull skin. Shiny, tight, unwrinkled skin. Fresh chili, still juicy. No bruises, no cracks, no softness. Healthy fruit, not damaged. Round, plump, firm, unwrinkled fruit is well developed. Avoid choosing fruit that is dented, shriveled, or deformed, as it is often not sweet or has a fibrous interior. Method 3. Observe the stem. The stem of a bell pepper is one of the clearest signs of freshness, immaturity, or ripeness of the fruit. Choose fruit with fresh green stems. A firm, dark green stem is a sign that the pepper has just been harvested and is still fresh. The fresher the stem, the crispier and juicier the fruit. Avoid fruit with dry, brown, or soft stems. Stalks that are wilted, shriveled, or turning brown, gray are signs that the fruit has been stored for a long time and is about to spoil. Although the fruit may look fine on the outside, the inside may be soft and have lost its sweetness and crispness. Check the stem's adhesion to the fruit. The stem is firmly attached to the chili pepper. The fruit is fresh. If the stem is wobbly or about to fall off, the fruit may have been bumped or left too long. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 4. Look at the bottom of the bell pepper. Guess the sweetness. Bell peppers have 4 segments at the bottom, 4 legs. The bottom of the fruit is clearly divided into 4 parts, like 4 segments. Sweeter taste, more seeds, slightly softer, suitable for eating raw, making salads, juicing, or eating with dishes that do not need to be cooked thoroughly. Bell peppers have 3 segments at the base, 3 legs. The bottom of the fruit has only 3 clearly raised parts. Slightly bitter taste, less sweet than the 4-segment type. Fewer seeds, more crunchy. Suitable for stir-frying, grilling, or stuffing meat because it retains its crunch after cooking. Method 5. Feel with your hands. Not only looking with your eyes, using your hands to check is an extremely effective way to know if a bell pepper is still fresh or not. When you pick it up, if the pepper feels heavy compared to its size, it is a sign that the pepper is still crunchy and juicy. Light, hollow fruits are usually dehydrated, old, or starting to spoil. Use your thumb to gently press on the surface. If the skin feels tight, firm, and elastic, the fruit is still fresh. If the skin is sunken, soft, or wrinkled, the fruit is wilted or spoiled inside. The skin should be thick and sturdy. This helps it retain its crispness when cooked. Avoid choosing fruit that feels soft and easily crushed. It is usually overripe or about to spoil. The simplest way to eat bell peppers that anyone can do: eat raw, like fruit. Prepare 1 to 2 bell peppers. Wash bell peppers thoroughly with clean water. Soak in diluted salt water for 5 to 10 minutes. Arrange on a plate and let drain. Cut off the stem, remove the core and seeds inside.
Đây là hút luôn.
Cut into long slices, long sticks, or thin round slices as desired. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, mix the dipping sauce. Prepare a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. ½ teaspoon honey. Then mix the mixture well. Arrange bell peppers on a plate. With the bowl of sauce in the middle. Use your hands or chopsticks to pick up each piece of chili, dip it in mayonnaise, and enjoy. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Above are some simple tips for choosing bell peppers that few people may know. How do you usually pick your bell peppers? If you have any tips of your own, please share them in the comments. We and everyone else would love to learn more. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to support me. I will continue to share small but useful tips like this every day. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, wishing you good health and a kitchen filled with the aroma of warm meals. See you again!